Men, on behalf of all the women all over the world, I have come to tell you two things that women hate with passion. Even your woman hates these two things, but she might not tell you because she doesn't want to appear like a nagging woman. Number one, do not for any reason, no matter how angry you are, don't compare your woman to another woman. Don't say things like, look at your mate. Is this woman not your mate? Look at what your mate. Don't do that. Oh, don't do that to a woman you care about. It will reduce her. It will make her feel so disrespected, belittled. She'll begin to think a whole lot in her head. Don't do that. Okay? Number two, you see that your attitude of always acting as if you didn't see her. When she's putting on something nice, she's wearing a good hair, good shoe, she bought something new, she's trying to show you, for you to just notice her, you will ignore her. Don't do that. Women hate that a lot. Remember, women love compliment. Never forget this.